Hi everyone, in this video we will compare Nextcloud and OwnCloud. Nextcloud and OwnCloud may look similar at first glance. They even started from the same code bases, but over time they've taken very different paths. Nextcloud is the more active and user-focused of the two. It's packed with features for the file sharing, remote access and collaboration. You can share files, use the built-in chat, video conferencing, calendar and even add apps like notes or tasks. The interface feels polished and user-friendly, and it gets frequent updates from a strong open-source community. It's also 100% open source with no features locked behind a paywall in the basic setup. OwnCloud, while still reliable, has shifted more towards enterprise users. It offers similar file syncing features, but many advanced capabilities like end-to-end encryption, full-text search, or advanced sharing controls are only available in the Enterprise Edition. That means you'll need a paid license to unlock its full power. It's still open source at the core, but the free version isn't as feature-rich as Nextcloud's. If you're an individual, a small team, or someone setting up private cloud at home, or for a small business, Nextcloud gives you more tools out of the box, better support for plugins, and a smoother overall experience. But if you're a large company that needs enterprise-level support, strict policies, or integration with tools like Oracle or Microsoft 365, then OwnCloud might be worth considering, though it'll likely come at a cost. For most users looking for a personal cloud platform, Nextcloud is the clear winner. It's more open, more active, and more user-friendly. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.